Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow.
And roborock sent us this for the review.
All right, let's check it out.
Let's open that box.
It's heavy.
All right. Oh, man. It's big. Yeah, it took two of us to carry it around. Keep that in mind.
All right, that's the quick start guide.
So that's kind of nice. They give you that.
It's got a little card that gives you all the shortcuts so you can get Rocky to clean your house.
It has the roborock instruction manual. All right, let's take this out.
Oh, it's
Wow.
wrapped
That's a big thing. You guys can't see it because of camera angle, but let's do this first. It's like, oh, man. Ugh. So I'm betting, what do you think?
I think that's the vacuum.
That's the vacuum. So let's put this down here. Hold that side to side here. All right. I'm going to lift it up and you can dispose of the box.
All right.
All right, here we go.
Good luck.
Woo. Okay. I got it out. Wow. Okay. I guess we got it out of the box. So, robot?
Base.
It's base. It's all about the base.
It's a new multifunctional dock.
All right. What do we got in front here?
Oh, like an egg.
Well, just a whole bunch of styrofoam.
Yep, just to keep the base all full.
Okay. And there you go.
Where the robot rolls in.
Rolls in, and then there's a little lid here. So you can see all the more stuff to take out. So where the
oh, this is where the
bag
vacuum bag goes.
And then more stuff to cover it. So
okay, dirty water and clean water.
All right, it's very nice and smooth.
Yeah, it's very smooth. What are we gonna name this one?
I don't know. I got to come up with a name, but I know one thing: you're still going to have to call it Rocky, no matter what you do.
That's true. Ready?
Ready. All right. Can you lift it?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
That's very shiny.
Very shiny. Look at that. It's really nice.
Anti-tangle roller. It's two rollers, see?
Oh, that's cool. And it's got whiskers on both sides.
That's whiskers on both sides.
One looks like it comes out.
Yep, it's got this edge thing that pops out so you can...
It's got a wheel on the front. And big wheels. And then look at this. Look at the mop.
Ooh.
The mop's a roller mop.
It's a roller mop. That's interesting, huh?
Yeah, and it has a little thing that comes out and covers it. See it? Can you feel it?
Oh, the shield comes over so it protects your carpet.
We'll have to wait till we actually run it to do it. But it's basically this shield comes over the roller. So if it's vacuuming, it doesn't hurt the floors any.
Oh, it doesn't hurt the carpet.
Or the carpet.
Ooh, these are like heavy duty.
Yeah, heavy duty wheels. Really nice. Look at that.
Jeez.
And then big camera setup up front. LiDAR tower, on-off buttons. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
So,
there's a filter in here.
all right.
Then you empty this thing.
Well, it looks like you can empty it manually. I wonder if it works electronically, too.
Ooh, we'll see. I know it has... the multifunction dock does a lot of self-cleaning activities.
All right, and that just snaps back on. And then was there anything in the back? Oh, there's more ports and everything in the back. What's this thing here do? Oh.
Maybe that's where the soap goes?
I don't know. What do you think it is? Well, it's a mystery we're going to have to figure out. Oh, you know what? It has like nozzles here, so it must have something to do with... Oh, maybe it's soap?
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Oh, you're probably correct.
Yeah.
You can see where the roller can move out.
The edge that comes out to clean the edges.
Yeah, so that's kind of interesting.
That's neat. Can't wait to try that out.
You know, you notice there's no snap-on ramp. It's built into this thing.
Oh yeah, usually there's a ramp you have to put in. I wonder where's the power cord.
So that fits in here, no problem. Oh, there you go. So it looks nice, right?
Mm-hmm. Did we miss the power cord?
No, I don't think so. Maybe this big styrofoam thing had something in here.
Might be time to look at the quick start guide. Oh, there it is.
Don't throw that styrofoam out because there's your power cord.
All right, so we've unboxed the roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow. Now we got to go set it up and try it out. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.